Hello YouTube, I just wanted to show you a few space saving ideas I've got in my workshop. Because my workshop's so small and I've got a lot of tools and I haven't got a lot of workspace, so to try and keep my benches clear, I've come up with a few little ideas for some of the tools I don't use all the time, so I don't want them taking up room on my countertops. So I built this receiver here which goes right back the full length, and it's for my vice. So I just take my bin out and I store my vice underneath here. I've just built it onto some arms. This is 2x1 I think, 1.5 by 2.5. Push that all the way home. That's my vice, solid, doesn't go anywhere. I don't really do any heavy use on it, so I don't need it bolted down firmly. That's ideal, it doesn't go anywhere. It's tight, just slots out. And stows away underneath there. Gives me, if I had a vice here, it'd make it awkward for me to get to all my electrical connections. I got my bolts, my bits and bobs, screws, stuff like that. So it's out of the way. It gives me work on the, it gives me room on the workbench now. This is one of my other space saving ideas. It's for a bench grinder. I've already got a bench grinder on the bench here which I use with a wire brush on and a stone wheel on. I wanted to get a buffing wheel, but I didn't want to keep swapping these out all the time, taking the plates off, swapping it to a buffing wheel all the time, because I do actually use both of these more than I would a buffing wheel. So I bought myself another cheap small grinder, bench grinder. But my workshop is pretty packed. I haven't got a lot of worktop space, so I didn't want to take any more worktop space up with a buffing wheel that I don't use that often. So the idea I came up with, I've actually put it, it's actually sat up here. I put it on a bit of 5x1. I've got it on a hinge. This is my wood rack up here. So I've got a metal bar. I just slide the bar out of the way to hold it up and lower the grinder. It pushes tight to the desk. I just lock it off and it's perfect. And when I use it, it takes seconds to put down. I do actually want to put some type of springs or something on here to help like lift it and keep it up. I've only just done this, so I've only just put it together quick, but I will play a bit more with it to get it right. And I also want to find a better way of putting this up than using just a bar, but it's there, it's perfect, I can't fault it. Gives me plenty of space now on my sides, because I have got more tools coming this Christmas that I want on the side, like a little bandsaw, a bench top bandsaw I got coming, which I'll do a video on once that comes. But yes, that's pleased with that. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. Please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks all.